Alright, picture this, you're juggling calls between your cell phone, your desk phone, and maybe even some clunky old conferencing system. Missed calls, garbled messages, and that sinking feeling of dropping the ball sound familiar? You're not alone. In today's hyper-connected world, seamless communication is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But what if there was a way to consolidate all your communication into one easy-to-use platform, accessible from anywhere? What if you could ditch the clutter and embrace clarity? That's where 8x8 Work comes in. And today we're going to dive deep and show you exactly how to install and set it up, step by step. We're not just going to give you a dry tutorial, we're going to walk you through it as if we're sitting right next to you, making it as painless as possible. Before we jump into the installation process, let's briefly touch upon why 8x8 Work is worth your attention. It's more than just a phone system. It's a unified communications platform that combines voice, video, messaging, and even contact center capabilities into a single, intuitive interface. This means you can make and receive calls, participate in video meetings, send instant messages, and even manage customer interactions, all from one place. Whether you're a small business owner, a remote worker, or part of a large enterprise, 8x8 Work can streamline your communication and boost your productivity. Now, let's get down to business. The first step is to ensure you have the necessary prerequisites. You'll need a stable internet connection, a compatible device, computer, smartphone, or tablet, and, of course, an active 8x8 Work account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one through the 8x8 website. They offer various plans to suit different needs, so choose the one that best fits your requirements. Once you have your account details, we can proceed with the installation. The process varies slightly depending on the device you're using. Let's start with the desktop version, which is typically used on Windows or macOS computers. First, open your web browser and navigate to the 8x8 website. Look for the Downloads or Resources section, where you'll find the 8x8 Work desktop application. Download the installer for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and conditions and choosing the installation location. The installer will then copy the necessary files to your computer. Once the installation is finished, you can launch the 8x8 Work application. The first time you launch the application, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll use the username and password you created when you signed up for your 8x8 Work account. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see various tabs and icons that allow you to access different features, such as phone calls, video meetings, and messaging. You can customize the interface to suit your preferences, such as changing the theme or rearranging the icons. Now, let's move on to installing 8x8 Work on your mobile device, whether it's an Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. The process is similar, but instead of downloading the application from the 8x8 website, you'll be using your device's App Store. Open the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS and search for 8x8 Work. You'll find the official 8x8 Work application listed. Tap the Install or Get button to download and install the application on your device. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, just like with the desktop version. Enter your username and password and tap Login. The mobile application interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You'll find the same core features as the desktop version, but optimized for mobile devices. You can make and receive calls, participate in video meetings, and send instant messages, all from your smartphone or tablet. One of the key benefits of 8x8 Work is its seamless integration across devices. This means you can start a conversation on your desktop and continue it on your mobile device without interruption. Your contacts, call history, and messages are synchronized across all your devices, ensuring you're always connected. Now, let's talk about setting up your audio and video settings. This is crucial for ensuring clear communication during calls and video meetings. In the desktop application, you can access the settings by clicking on your profile picture or initials and selecting Settings. In the mobile application, you can access the settings by tapping the menu icon and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find options for configuring your audio and video devices. You can select your preferred microphone, speaker, and camera. It's important to test your audio and video settings to ensure they're working correctly. You can do this by making a test call or joining a test meeting. You can also customize other settings, such as call forwarding, voicemail, and notifications. Take some time to explore the settings menu and configure the application to your liking. Another important aspect of using 8x8 Work is managing your contacts. You can import your existing contacts from your device or add new contacts manually. You can also create contact groups to easily organize your contacts. 8x8 Work also offers advanced features, such as call recording, call analytics, and integration with other business applications. These features can further enhance your communication and productivity. For example, call recording can be useful for training purposes or for documenting important conversations. Call analytics can provide insights into your call patterns and help you identify areas for improvement. Integration with other business applications, such as CRM systems, can streamline your workflow and improve customer relationship management. If you encounter any issues during the installation or setup process, don't hesitate to consult the 8x8 support resources. They offer a comprehensive knowledge base, online tutorials, and live support to assist you with any questions or problems you may have. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.